Hello, my name is John with WTI, and today I want to talk about the Fitbit Versa 3. Now, this is one of the newest watches from Fitbit, and so far I absolutely love it. Many of the features that are new are ones that I love. The reason why I bought it, one reason is because it has built-in GPS. So if you want to go for a run, a walk, and you don't want to bring your phone, you can still just wear the watch, leave your phone at home, and it will still record your times and where you've been via the onboard GPS. It can store music, which is nice. It can also take messages, just like most smartwatches today take messages. It can even take phone calls. So as long as your phone is close, you can answer the phone from the watch and actually speak to it because it has a speaker, and you can hear what the person's saying because, you can speak to it because it has a mic, and you can hear what the person's saying because it has a speaker. So that is awesome. I love it because it's very easy to switch out the bands. So I actually have a couple fairly nice leather bands that you might want to wear if you're going out for a nice dinner or something. But then you can easily change them to sports bands if you want to go for a jog or work out at the gym and you don't want to ruin a nice leather band with sweat or with gym equipment or whatever. It also has a very good application. The Fitbit app is quite amazing for seeing how well you've slept. It monitors your sleep if you wear it during the night, monitors your heart rate, even your breathing. So all these things can really help improve your health. When you're monitoring these things, your sleep, you see what you ate, what you drank that day, and how that might affect your sleep, or how it affects your weight, and all these other things. So I really, really love this watch. If you look at the application, it will tell you your steps. It will tell you how many floors you've walked up. It helps with stress management, with your sleep, also with other health metrics like your breathing rate, your body temperature, and different things like this. You can set goals with it so that if you haven't reached the amount of steps per day that you would like, then it will help motivate you to get those extra steps in. And the other thing that I like about it too is well, for one, it looks great. I think it looks very good, and you can even customize it if you want with different bands. It also, you can hook up the Fitbit app with other apps. For instance, MyFitnessPal, if you're keeping track of your calories every day, and it will put that information from MyFitnessPal into the Fitbit app and help you with your calories and with your weight as well. So I really love this watch. It works perfect not only as a smartwatch, but as for messages and phone calls and things, emails, really any messages that you get to your phone, you can now get to your watch, but also from a health point of view, it is a fitness watch as well. So I am John with WTI, and that is my point of view.